Hi all. I just went to Michael's real quick and I picked up some earrings. They're called lever back earrings. I want to put my little Tunisian mini pumpkins on a pair of earrings. I thought they'd be cute for next year. I was reminded because my cat Tango took one of these pumpkins and was playing with it in the kitchen. I don't know how he just grabbed it and ran with it. Next thing you know, he's in the kitchen playing with it. So I reminded myself I need to put some findings on those and put them in my jewelry box. The other thing I bought was this Loops and Threads Knit Quick mini loom set. 5 pieces. I'll do an unboxing after we look at the magazine. Because today is Magazine Monday, but it's more like Unboxing Monday today. I got this book by Ira Rote, Crochet Animal Slippers. It looks really cute. It says 60 fun and easy patterns for all the family. So this is a book that has sizes for everyone. Look at that. Look at that size guide. Isn't that great? Isn't that awesome? That way you can put your foot on it or their favorite shoe or whatever, and you can see what size they are so you know what to make. And these, I think, are all of the different projects. There's a lot of pre-project notes to help you how to use the book, how to read the patterns, how to pick your skill level. Oh, look at the little guys along the bottom here. Aren't they cute? So it looks like it's a little bit of basic slippers with appliques, I think, to make it a lot easier. So it teaches you how to make the slipper part. And then once you have made your slipper, you go right into the projects. Look at that unicorn, isn't that cute? Pandas. Koalas. Sloth. There's an elephant. A little pig. Oh, look at the raccoon. Isn't that cute? So it looks like they used button eyes for most of these. Not all of them. Look, this one is the kitty cat's got their eyes closed. And that kind of kawaii face. It's a turtle. That's cute. It teaches you how to do a granny square. Hexy square? At least just start, you know, those flowers that start like that. It looks like a two together. Llama. Aww, llama. Let's show you some different colors. The lion is cute. So yeah, you can make these for anyone. Yeah, they don't have to be children's slippers. Oh, the fox. There's the fox. Don't we love foxes here? Mix and match patterns. Okay, so look, this is the kitty cat pattern with a unicorn. Looks like an owl. The penguin and the dinosaur. That's cute. Oh, and you take the mane from the unicorn and put it on as a tail for the cat. Very cute. I like it. And this looks like abbreviations with symbols. Do they have charts in here? Looks like they're... No, there are no charts. Wait, oh, here we go. Here's some charts. Very nice. Okay, I missed that on the way down. Very good. So look for the colored, colorful stripe. That's where your charts are. Very nice. I like it. It's a good book. It cost $22.99. So anyway, this was at Michael's. This piece right here is a Michael's exclusive product, the Loops and Threads brand, and it is $14.99. So that's how much this is. And let's open this up and see what's in it. There's no directions. But, well, it's pictures. Alright. Maybe I can go online and see if there's a tutorial for this. Now this looks like it's got a little rubber protector on it, because I think this could be kind of sharp, a little pointy bit. You can use a little crochet hook, I think. There we go. So I'm going to give it a shot, see if I can figure it out. I have something similar to this and about a little bit smaller than this that I've been goofing off with off and on for a while. Yeah, I'll have to look it up and see how to work with these a little bit more in depth, just to be sure that I'm not doing it wrong, because I have, like I said, I have been working on it at home, on another project with another peg loom. I think that's what these are called, peg looms. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Take care. Crochet your way today, because it's the only time we have. I'll see you next time.